we take a relaxed but also a deep travel to Xiaoliuqiu? You need some tips, man.
Yeah. What do you guys recommend?
Yeah. Hi.
Wow.
You again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Oh, wow.
Oh, okay. There it is. I see something.
Yeah.
It's a different horse.
It's a different horse.
Not a seahorse.
Not a seahorse, but an actual horse. And it says...
So you have horses on Xiaoliuqiu?
Yeah, so actually that's what I want to share was the host was the 王爷.
Oh.
So this is a traditional ceremony in Xiaoliuqiu. Yeah, 迎王祭, that is the worshiping ceremony.
Sorry.
And actually this is the horse of the 王爷, so they're selected very carefully. And during that moment, all of the attendants, we will follow 王爷and horses will go walk around about the Xiaoliuqiu, whole of the islands.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so
How long does it take to...
for 1 week, for 7 days.
It takes 7 days to walk around the island?
Yes, actually that ceremony is for 7 days, but we take 4 days to walk around about the Xiaoliuqiu.
Right.
So there's 59 temples on Xiaoliuqiu, which is the highest density of temples in the world.
That's one thing I noticed when I was there.
So each district, they'll spend 1 day and the whole procession will visit every temple, do a little ritual, and then leave. And so I think there's 4 or 5 districts in Xiaoliuqiu, and so each day is dedicated to one district.
Wow.
Yeah.
7 days to go through, but usually by scooter, 20 minutes.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
But we go with 4 days actually.
Okay.
Yeah, and actually that has only happened every 3 years.
Oh, really?
So yeah, so last time as for the last year, 2021.
Yes. So it's a massive event for the island, right?
Yeah.
You get to see a lot of cool stuff. Like the first day, they go with dozens of boats all around the island, like with fireworks.
They follow, right?
Yeah, they do
each other.
circles around the island, I think.
Yeah.
But a lot of boats and fireworks, and quite impressive. And then, from the perspective of like Westerners, I'm Spanish, and we have a lot of religious festivities. Like we also carry the Virgin, maybe, or Jesus Christ.
Right.
But they are not so cool. It's much cooler here. They have the 千里眼 and 什么顺风撞的那种 like muscular.
Oh, 千里顺风耳. Okay.
Much cooler. And then the music, like in Europe, is solemn and very serious and like very ceremonial. But here it was like a party, like 八加九, like
With rock music.
They had one rattan chair that had like techno music on it. Like,
Right.
The lights and everything was like.
Yes.
real respect
Wow.
I love
It's
temple
pretty
techno.
unforgettable, right?
for like clubbing and religion together. And cool.
Wow.
In Taiwan.
Oh, wow.
That's amazing. That is uniquely Taiwanese, I have to say.
I want to add something about, like you said, the boat will circle around Xiaoliuqiu. That's in Taiwanese is 顺港卡, and 顺港卡, and that is only in Xiaoliuqiu. In Donggang or Nanzhou, you won't see that.
Okay.
Because that is also pray for the people they stationed in the Xiaoliuqiu, and they said that is not only protect the people on land and also on the ocean.
Okay.
So that's why they have this kind of the ceremony.
Yeah, I've heard that in Xiaoliuqiu, a lot of people used to be fishermen, so being a fisherman is a very hard job, and a lot of people lost their lives. So that's why people take it so seriously, because a lot of family members, maybe grandfathers, they went missing in the sea while fishing. So that's why they take it very kind of close to their heart.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this!
Wow! Do they set that off in a pyre like that?
You can still see the ashes from that beach.
Oh my God!
That's a spectacle.
They burn the whole thing down. At the last day.
In a pile.
Yeah.
That's a 2-story pile.
And also the boat. Like the boat is.
You could probably see that from Donggang.
This is for the last day because they believe the 王爷 came to Xiaoliuqiu, will pray for the peace and also will take away about the evil spirits. And so they burn it out and send it away from our world. So that is the picture that you can see.
Oh, including the boat. The boat is part of the pyre.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, this scene is quite
Scary. It looks like the ocean is on fire.
No, but it's also quite moving.
Yeah.
It's
very dramatic.
Dramatic, yes.
But it was like, so I was deciding, I'm trying to figure it out because I know it's a religiously based festival, right? And trying to figure out the whole thing, but it was a very festive environment, and it seemed like, and I know if you're from Xiaoliuqiu and if you're like Taipei or another country, you would come back for this. And some people obviously take it very seriously, religiously, and some people, it seems like it's like a Christmas, right?
Yes.
It's a reason to get home and be together with family. And so,
like some Scandinavians, like set fire to giant Santa Clauses or other Christmas creations. We have this one in the ocean. Yeah, we create a sea of fire. We're like literally a sea of fire. My gosh.
Wow, dramatic. Yes,
Oh
dramatic.
wow.
Who's been there before?
Me by accident.
Pedro?
By accident.
By accident?
I went
You
to enjoy
lucky
the
guy.
water. Yeah, maybe. I would say it has good things and bad things because I went to enjoy the water, but it's forbidden during the festival. Like it's 7 days where you cannot swim.
The rules.
The only 7 days out of 3 years.
And the sea turtles
I
are
was
like,
there.
yay! No human.
No turtles for you. But